Hello there. I just want to give you some short directions on how to do something new that you'll see in this exit ticket. Also, look how cool this new shirt is for our school, their staff t-shirts, and it's the little Wi-Fi symbol. Anyways, I'll show it to you sometime. I thought it was fun. Okay, so here is the first section or first question of the exit ticket. You'll notice that on the rubric, it says the student can graph an inequality, create their own number line, and name 3 possible solutions. So I had to get a bit creative on how to give you a chance to graph and create a number line for your inequality. So when you go to the first level 2 problem there, make sure you read carefully. It says graph the inequality on this Google Slides link. Make sure to carefully read the directions on the first slide to earn full credit for this problem. Then select which 3 options below are possible solutions to this inequality. So you need to pick which ones are solutions to this inequality. And in addition to that, you need to show me how to graph this inequality. And how you're going to do that is at this link here. If you score correctly which ones you pick, then Schoology will give you full credit for this problem, but I will be going back in and changing that credit if you do not accurately show how to graph it as well. So just keep that in mind for this one. So when we go to this Google Slides link, it brings up directions for exit ticket question number 2. Select a blank slide below and write your name at the top. Use the images on the slide to graph the inequality or graph it on paper and upload a photo. Do not edit other student slides. And on that note, also, don't just copy other student slides. That would be a form of cheating, and it's not helping you. It's not helping me know what you need and how I can help you. If your graph is not correct, you will not earn full credit for the question on Schoology, so make sure you're aware of that. So let me show you an example. For instance, you can pick this next one if it's available. Otherwise, feel free to scroll down anywhere on here and pick one that's empty and doesn't have a name on it. So I would click here and say, Mrs. Bauman, write your first and last name. And then to graph the inequality, I would use these objects here. So this is -3. So I would pick, do I want an open circle or a closed circle? And I'm just showing example. It's not necessarily the correct answer. I'm going to put that on -3 if that's where I want to put it. And then I choose if I want to use this arrow, have it pointing this way, or I could use the other arrow, so I have it pointing that way. And that's it. That's all you need to do is move the circle or the arrow. Sometimes you might have to make your own number line. So I think the other 2 problems, there's question marks down here around the numbers, and you just have to click those and type in what you want to count by on your number line. If you don't like using my number line or my objects there, like I said, you can always draw it out on a piece of paper and copy and paste a photo that you took on the slide as well. And then I'll be looking at this when I grade your exit tickets. Okay, if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to send me an email, and good luck.